Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over composition of functions. So composition of functions is when you use or combine multiple functions to get an answer. It will appear like that. We joke and say fog of 5, but that's really f composed with g of 5, or you can say f of g of 5. To do compositions, you must be able to read function notation. G parentheses 5 means go to equation g and plug in 5 for the letter, then simplify. A composition will involve plugging in numbers, letters, and expressions. Compositions are like backpack problems. You'll work inside out or right to left. The answer to one problem will be plugged into the next problem. For compositions, order is really important. F of g of 5 is different than g of f of 5. The one exception is if they're inverses. We can use composition to check if two functions are inverses. Find both f of g of x and g of f of x. If you get x back for both, then they are inverses. Here's the first problem. Here's equation m, here's equation t. Find m of t of 5 and t of m of 5. For the first one, m of t of 5, work inside out, so t of 5 is our first thing. Go equation t, plug in 5 for the letter h. So I plug in, multiply, add. We now know what t of 5 is, so I'm going to change t of 5 into negative 7. This tells us to go to m of negative 7. That's our next problem. So go to equation m, every a will turn to negative 7. So plug in, multiply, combine, and that's our final answer. Now we do t of m of 5. M of 5 is first. Go equation m, plug in 5 for the letter a, multiply, combine. We now replaced m of 5 with 11. Now we're going to go equation t, plug in 11 for the letter h, multiply, then add, and that's our answer. So negative 19. Notice both answers are different. Alright, here's the next one. There's equation f, there's equation g. Use compositions to check if they're inverses. So here's f of g of x. We're going to do g of x first. Well, if I go to equation g and plug in x for x, there's no change. It stays exactly the same. So we can skip that first part. Now to go to f and plug x minus 4 all over 2 in. So I plug in, I multiply, the 2 and 2 cancel, so just the numerator, x minus 4 plus 4, the 4's combine, so you just get x. Now I do g of f of x. Well, I do the inside, f of x means go to equation f, plug in x for x, there's no change, so we skip that, it's just really g of 2x is 4. I go to equation g and plug in 2x plus 4 for x, so the numerator turns to 2x plus 4 minus 4 over 2, the 4's combine, then you divide the 2's, and get x. Since both f of g of x equals x and g of f of x equals x, that means f and g are both inverses. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye.